In the realm of philosophy, few thinkers have left as profound an impact as Baruch Spinoza. His metaphysical framework, particularly his concepts of substance, attributes, and modes, invites us to rethink the nature of reality itself. Spinoza posits that there is only one substance, which he identifies with God or nature, suggesting that everything that exists is a manifestation of this singular reality. This radical idea challenges traditional dualistic views and encourages a more unified understanding of existence. As we delve into Spinoza's metaphysics, we will explore how attributes, essential qualities of substance, express the infinite nature of reality, while modes represent the particular manifestations of these attributes in the world around us. Engaging with Spinoza's ideas not only enriches our understanding of metaphysics, but also resonates with contemporary philosophical discussions on the nature of existence, identity, and the interconnectedness of all things. By examining Spinoza's contributions, we can appreciate the depth of his thought and its relevance in today's philosophical landscape, where questions about the nature of reality continue to inspire inquiry and debate. In Spinoza's philosophy, substance is defined as that which exists in itself and is conceived through itself. This means that substance does not rely on anything external for its existence. It is self-sufficient and independent. Spinoza famously asserts that there is only one substance, which he equates with God or nature, emphasizing that everything in the universe is a part of this singular reality. The implications of substance being self-sufficient and infinite are profound. Since substance encompasses all that exists, it cannot be limited or defined by external factors. This challenges traditional notions of a personal deity and invites us to see the universe as an interconnected whole, where everything is a manifestation of this one substance. Understanding substance in this way reshapes our perception of existence. It suggests that individual entities, or modes, are merely expressions of the underlying substance, highlighting the unity of all things. This perspective encourages us to view the universe not as a collection of separate objects, but as a dynamic interplay of attributes and modes, all rooted in the same foundational reality. In Spinoza's metaphysics, attributes are the essential qualities that define and express the nature of substance. They are the ways in which we can understand and perceive the infinite reality of substance, allowing us to grasp its essence. Spinoza identifies two primary attributes, thought and extension. And thought refers to the mental realm, encompassing ideas, consciousness, and all forms of intellectual activity. It represents the non-physical aspect of reality, where the mind engages with concepts and perceptions. On the other hand, extension pertains to the physical universe, encompassing all material objects and spatial phenomena. This duality illustrates how substance manifests in both the mental and physical realms, providing a comprehensive framework for understanding existence. Attributes are crucial because they express the essence of substance in different ways. While substance itself is singular and infinite, its attributes allow us to engage with it from various perspectives. Thought and extension are not separate entities, but rather interconnected aspects of the same underlying reality. In Spinoza's metaphysics, modes are defined as the particular manifestations or expressions of substance and its attributes. They represent the specific finite forms that arise from the infinite reality of substance, illustrating how the essence of substance is realized in the world. Modes are dependent on substance for their existence, as they cannot exist independently. They are the ways in which substance is actualized in both the natural world and human experience. Examples of modes can be found all around us. In nature, a tree, a river, or a mountain can be seen as modes of the attribute of extension, each representing a unique expression of the physical universe. In human experience, thoughts, emotions, and actions are modes of the attribute of thought, showcasing the diverse ways consciousness manifests. These modes reflect the dynamic nature of existence, emphasizing that reality is not static, but constantly evolving. Each mode is a temporary expression of the underlying substance, highlighting the interconnectedness of all things. By understanding modes, we gain insight into the fluidity of existence, recognizing that every individual entity is part of a larger unified whole, continuously shaped by the infinite substance that Spinoza describes. In Spinoza's philosophical system, substance, attributes, and modes are intricately interconnected, forming a cohesive framework for understanding reality. Substance is the foundational reality, while attributes serve as the essential qualities that express its nature. Modes, in turn, are the specific manifestations of these attributes, illustrating how substance is realized in the world. The interaction between substance, attributes, and modes has profound implications for our understanding of existence. It suggests that rather than viewing the universe as a collection of isolated entities, we should recognize the interconnectedness of all things. Each mode is a temporary expression of the underlying substance, highlighting the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of reality. This relationship is significant in philosophical discourse, as it challenges traditional dualistic perspectives and encourages a more holistic view of existence. By exploring the interconnectedness of substance, attributes, and modes, we can engage with deeper questions about identity, existence, and the nature of reality itself, fostering a richer understanding of our place within the universe. Baruch Spinoza's metaphysics has left a lasting impact on contemporary thought, influencing a wide range of philosophers and movements. Key figures such as Friedrich Nietzsche, Albert Einstein, and Gilles Deleuze have drawn inspiration from Spinoza's ideas, particularly his notions of substance and the interconnectedness of all things. Nietzsche, for instance, appreciated Spinoza's rejection of traditional metaphysical dualism, while Deleuze expanded on Spinoza's concepts to develop his own theories of difference and multiplicity. Spinoza's concepts resonate strongly in modern metaphysical discussions, particularly in debates surrounding monism and the nature of reality. His assertion that everything is a manifestation of a single substance challenges contemporary thinkers to reconsider the boundaries between mind and body, nature and culture. This holistic perspective encourages a more integrated understanding of existence, which is increasingly relevant in today's complex world. Moreover, Spinoza's work remains significant in today's philosophical landscape as it addresses pressing issues such as ethics, environmentalism, and the nature of consciousness. By emphasizing the unity of all existence, Spinoza invites us to reflect on our relationship with the world and each other, making his insights invaluable for navigating contemporary philosophical inquiries. In this video, we have explored the profound metaphysics of Baruch Spinoza, focusing on his key concepts of substance, attributes, and modes. We discussed how substance serves as the foundational reality, while attributes like thought and extension express its essence. Modes, as particular manifestations of substance, illustrate the dynamic nature of existence and highlight the interconnectedness of all things. As we conclude, I encourage you to reflect on how Spinoza's ideas resonate in your own life. His emphasis on unity and interconnectedness invites us to consider our relationship with the world and each other, fostering a deeper appreciation for the complexity of existence. If you found this exploration of Spinoza's metaphysics insightful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more philosophical discussions. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who might be interested in delving deeper into the fascinating world of philosophy. Together, we can continue to explore the rich tapestry of ideas that shape our understanding of reality. Thank you for watching.